They say you can't win what you don't understand, and in federal contracting, most small businesses lose time, money, and momentum chasing the wrong opportunities. In this video, I'll show you exactly how, step by step, without wasting months buried in SAM.gov or chasing contracts you'll never win. This is GovIgnite, and if you're ready to get serious about government contracting, you found your launch pad. Welcome to GovIgnite. I'm Andre King, and I help small businesses navigate the federal market with clarity, strategy, and confidence. Whether you're just curious about government, or if you're already registered in SAM.gov, this channel will give you real-world insight, simple breakdowns, and, of course, the winning guidance to grow as a federal contractor. Let's clear up the confusion. Before you write a single proposal, chase any opportunities, you need three things in place. First, register in SAM.gov. This is your meal ticket into the federal market. No SAM.gov registration equals no eligibility. It's free, but be prepared, as the interface can be clunky, and here's a pro tip. Double check your UEIE and make sure that your banking info is accurate to avoid delays. Your unique entity identifier is a 12-digit alphanumeric code that uniquely identifies your business from others seeking to do business with the federal government. Second, know your NAICS codes and core capabilities. NAICS codes are AKA North American Industry Classification System codes. Well, they define exactly what products or services you basically offer the government. If you don't choose the right one, then you'll miss out on many relevant opportunities. You can add or take away from them within your SAM.gov account at any time, so don't put too much thought into it right off the bat, but again, try to take your time, do your homework, and pick the ones that apply to you and your business. Go to census.gov/NAICS and find your best fit. I'll be sure to drop that link in the description down below. Third, understand certifications. And again, whether this is 8A, WOSB, SDVOSB, or HubZone, certifications don't get you the contract per se by themselves, but they absolutely can help. They definitely help you compete. For example, in fiscal year 2024, the government awarded $188.8 billion, not M with the a million with the M, but billion with the B, dollars to just small businesses. And for reference, that's, if you added up the most recent valuation of all NFL teams, that was $190 billion. So you could basically own every team in the NFL for the amount that was awarded to small businesses. So just food for thought. So about 35% of that $189 billion was really pushed with set aside. So you can only qualify for that if you basically are certified. So definitely important. Now, the number one mistake a lot of people continue to make is chasing each and every RFP on SAM.gov. I can't count the number of people that have reached out in the last few months, and they just basically saying this is the perfect solicitation, but no homework, no strategy, no pipeline. And so you'll definitely see thousands of listings there, but as I noted, without the proper relationships, building that, having a plan in place, that pipeline that you need to continue to build and refine, most of those are basically long shots. And don't get me wrong, every now and then someone gets lucky in the lottery, just like just starting with those open solicitations. But basically, don't play the number games. Instead, target 1 to 2 agencies that actually buy what you're selling. And that comes along with the planning by identifying those agencies, but more importantly, the sub-agencies or the bureaus or offices that fall underneath those agencies that are basically buying what you're selling. You can research past award information using fdps.gov or, my favorite, usaspending.gov. And once you get a little bit nasty with those tools, hey, That's where the true data is, and that's where the rubber will truly meet the road. That's where you grow those fundamentals and basically develop those skills that let you have a winning strategy. So build a capture strategy, which we'll basically dive into depth in an upcoming video. So we won't go into too much detail there. But if you're still watching, that means you're very serious about exactly what kind of mindset you need, what it takes to win in federal government contracting. And GovIgnite is here to simplify the process, remove any of the noise, and to give you all the strategies that you need to compete successfully among all your other peers. So down in the chat below, let me know right now where you are in your journey. Do you have a SAM.gov account? Do you have an EIN number, your business? Like, is it properly registered? I mean, are you looking to go from being a sub to a prime? Like, what really brings you here, and what stage of this journey are you truly at? Like I said, thank each and every one of you out there for rocking here with me today. Thank you so much. And until next time, stay safe, take care of yourselves. Peace.